Ahead of the mega rally scheduled in Aurangabad, MNS Chief Raj Thackeray's convoy met with an accident. The convoy was coming from Pune and was heading towards the procession. The video footage shows a mega collision involving at least 10 cars. There are no injuries reported in this accident. The details of the accident are not out yet. It seems like the cars were driving very close to each other when the pilot car applied the brakes for some reason. All the cars behind the pilot car could not apply the brakes in time and caused the collision. Most security personnel who drive the convoys use the staggered formation to avoid such collisions. Security personnel go through strict training on the convoy driving maneuvers. These maneuvers also help security personnel to provide an escape route in case of an emergency. We doubt that any of the drivers who were a part of this convoy knew anything about driving in a strategic formation. Whatever the route and plan, it's always safe to leave 10-meter gap between cars so we can get enough time reacting accordingly. Thanks for watching.